Hi, everyone. Today I have a bit of makeup and I thought, let me make myself up a little bit, looking very pink. I think I put too much pink. Don't mind my mistake of my makeup, trying to play with my face. Now, I'm coming today as I'm going to be sharing about the essence of planning your future ahead, your vision board. What does that mean and how important that is? And so from today on, we'll be talking about that. So the best thing for you, please go to Facebook and join me on my group called Southern Africans United Globally. Southern Africans United Globally. That's where you'll see all the different kinds of things that I'm going to be sharing there. And it's going to be very, very educational. Now, sharing my knowledge and my understanding of things on how to run a business, especially for those who are more into running their own businesses, those who have something and they want to put it out there in a professional manner into how to run their businesses really clearly with a focus. I'm about to share that. So it's Southern Africans United Globally, and as I'm from the Southern African, and it's not me excluding anyone. So it's called the Southern Africans United Globally, but of course it's for all Africans. If you're an African, wherever you are in the world, vibrantly African, Southern Africans United Globally, it is your space. So join in there, check what we are all about, share your ideas, and starting from today, I'm going to be sharing things in there. And please share your comments. Let us move forward. As I said, it's people who know who they are, people who are engaged, people who are very professional. And I think if we are professionals and we are all together in one phase of changing our future as Black women, so can we learn. I want to learn from you, and as I'm here to teach of my discoveries around the world. So whoever you are, if you have something to share and you want to embrace life and you want to make the 2020 a year of discovery of supportive system for ourselves as Black women, because we need to support each other. And we are so lonely around the world, especially when we leave our homes. The world, it's not like Africa. The world, it's very, very, the world, there's boxes. People live in boxes. Now, we can't live in boxes. We do not have the luxury as African people to do that because of the world does not give us a space to breathe. In reality, everything seems as if, but the mere fact is that beneath that, it is not what it seems. Only we can fix that. So let us guide each other to the 2020 and see where we go. And please subscribe for this channel as from now on, it's going to get better and better. And of course, sometimes I'll share my sadness of this world, and sometimes I'll share my celebrations, and sometimes it will be about joy. But now the engagement that I need is under the Southern Africans United Globally. That's where the real fun lies behind, where we educate one another. So thank you so much. This is Carol Matebula saying vulnerability being turned into strength and connections. So I hope to see you there. This is Carol saying one love to all. Bye for now.